Alright, this is testing both the S24 Plus and S24 Ultra front-facing selfie video camera. Now, we are in portrait mode, and quick tip, it's in 1080p. Now, remember, to get the best quality image for this video, please go to your YouTube settings, click the gear icon, and go to advanced or quality, then advanced, and then choose the highest resolution possible. Ooh, allergies out here are bad, but image quality looks very good. You can tell the image stabilization is pretty good. I'm on a normal walking pace, nothing crazy, right? But you do get portrait mode on these Samsung devices are freaking amazing. So nice. Now, audio's coming from the device. I do have a Bluetooth earbud in, but it is not pulling audio from the Bluetooth Galaxy Bud. It's pulling audio from the device, so get a nice look here, car driving by, the sounds, nice sunny day. Now you're able to adjust the blurriness of the background. Let's see, it's on, that's maximum strength on blur, and this is maximum strength on blur. Nice sun. Get to see the shade dogs sound in the background. Really, really nice video. Now, I'm going to do a non-portrait mode video, and let's see what that looks like. Alright, now we are in regular video mode, no portrait video. 1080p, 30 frames per second, S24 Plus, S24 Ultra. Good test here to see. On the display, it goes back and forth, right? Because sometimes the S24 looks better, sometimes the S24 Plus looks better. Damn dog. Get him on camera. So, nice windy day, so it'll give you a good, with cars driving by, with dogs in the background, with the wind blowing at a decent pace, it'll give you a good sample of the audio quality from these devices. Rotate into the sun. Wow, the S24 Ultra's reflective screen is absolutely amazing. When I look at the sun, it's like night and day. I could see the sun in the display on the Ultra, but it's not blinding. When I show my S24 Plus into the sun, when I see the reflection of the sun in my screen, I gotta close my eyes. Absolutely amazing what they did with this Ultra display. And then we'll get a turnaround shot of the front-facing camera. Now, just a quick tip. One of my favorite shooting modes that I don't use that often, but I need to, is what they call dual record. Now, it used to be called director's mode in the S23 series. S23 series, they call this director's mode, but in the S24 series, they call it dual recording, where it gives you a front-facing view from the, it gives you a view cut out from the selfie camera, and then it also records from the back cameras as well. So you get kind of you can describe what you're shooting. This clouds got dark. And it's just a cool little feature that you don't get on a lot of other devices. So if you just want to describe, it's more personable shooting style that you get with these devices. Let's check out the back camera. Alright, this is the rear cameras at 1080p, 30 frames per second. Still using the audio from on-device microphones, giving a good shot at what the 1080p 30 frames per second video looks like on the S24 Plus, S24 Ultra at a brisk walking pace. Again, nothing crazy, just average walking pace, but there is some movement, so the image stabilization is really good on these Samsung devices. The Pixel also has very, very good image stabilization, but Samsung seems to be the best. And now, let's see what it looks like in the 4K. Once I get to the mailboxes here, we'll switch to 4K. Remember, go to your YouTube settings in this video, click on the gear icon, and go to quality, advanced, and then choose the highest resolution possible. Okay, 4K mode, ultra high definition, UHD. This is what it looks like. I had to go get the mail and got some more cases in from these manufacturers, and thought, you know what? Let me go ahead and get some recording in while I go to the mailbox. Good time to record. Yesterday was raining all day, or last 2 days, so I got these phones in and couldn't do much outside. So I'm trying to take advantage of when I can while it is not raining. Okay, well, what do you think? Let me know in the comments below. I check them every day, and let me know. Do you think it's decent quality? Is there a phone that you believe gets better video quality than these new Samsung devices? Let me know what you think. Honestly, I'm dying to hear what your opinions are on these devices. Much more content on the way. I'm about to go film some case reviews right now. And the content continues. So subscribe to the channel. And as always, we'll see you tomorrow. We upload daily. Peace out.